Hi folks, if you remember this video, this is when I explain how we had that problem, the leaking from the water pump. And for this video, it's the update about the situation for the water pump and the leaking. To refresh a bit, this is the old water pump, and those were the places we see the water leaking. Because we have assurance from 4 mechanics that it'll be fine for us to take trip to Jakarta, so we did. We still have the concern though, and that's why we decided to take a night trip. Part of it, we are hoping we can give the engine extra cooling for this long trip. Thankfully, we didn't have issue whatsoever with the water pump on our trip. We arrived safely in Jakarta, but a few hours after we arrived, the water level in the reservoir dropped to half. It was a clear sign that we need to fix or replace the water pump. 3 days later, I brought Anika to a Volvo garage near my place, and from the inspection, we learned that the whole set of the water pump needed to be replaced, and since it's a vital component, I decided to replace the whole set of the water pump. So this is the before and after. One more time. So there you have it. That's the update from our situation with the water pump and the leaking. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!